It's true, there's a huge economic impact expected from these events. Formula One here on the Strip, the Super Bowl. But there's also cause for concern from domestic violence and sexual assault groups here in Nevada, saying there's a not so glamorous side. They want to use this as a chance to raise awareness, increase their support, and educate the public with these events.
So there are a number of correlating factors with major sporting events that relate to domestic violence.
Vegas being a place that's known for excess, we do worry about that.
Two major ones are alcohol use and gambling.
Formula One, the Super Bowl, and everything in between. Vegas is the entertainment and, now by some accounts, the sports capital of the world. But it's also a large hub for domestic violence, sexual assault, and human trafficking.
Alcohol does not cause domestic violence. People who are abusive regardless of alcohol. Alcohol just exacerbates that violence and acts as justification.
Flory says the same goes for gambling. And with record-breaking crowds expected for these events, domestic violence groups throughout Nevada are calling for more resources.
When you listen to our members, they are saying day in and day out that they are stretched thin, that their advocates are working tirelessly, that their caseloads are overburdened.
In early October, domestic violence groups held a roundtable with Governor Steve Sisolak. Now that he's leaving office, they hope their requests don't go unheeded by incoming Governor-elect Joe Lombardo.
What we've noticed on our website is that on these long weekends that are traditionally known for heavy drinking and partying, such as 4th of July and Memorial Day weekend, is that people are going on Mondays to our Get Help page.
And then there's sex work and human trafficking. Advocacy groups do not expect an increase in trafficking at events like the Super Bowl, but they do see it as an opportunity to highlight how these industries continue needing support and a change in laws.
I think that people are uncomfortable with sex. We don't even have comprehensive sex ed in our schools.
Saying they're worried women taking part in consensual sex work will be arrested at these major events while missing the root causes of these issues, like low wages and education.
But I think we are last in the nation for a lot of things. And because of that, we're creating an environment where lots of crime is able to happen, including trafficking.
Bottom line, these women, these groups say yes, there is some concern with these upcoming big sporting events, but that the issues are always prevalent here in Nevada. And if you truly want to help victim survivors, that starts with things like education, with legislation, and increasing their resources and support. And if you are a victim yourself, you do not need to feel trapped, they say. There are plenty of resources for tourists and locals alike, and we'll have those on our website, news3lv.com. Reporting in Las Vegas, I'm Brett Forrest.